So this exercise is pretty simple, and I hope you'll agree it's fun. The most important thing to glean from it is the introduction of a new way of identifying HTML elements. So far we've used the functions document.getElementById and document.querySelector, and I advise you to prefer the query selector as it can handle a wide variety of selectors. There's only one problem. Query selector only returns the first element it finds matching the selector. That's not going to be very helpful when we need to get all of the elements for that selector. Luckily, there's a sibling function to query selector. It's called query selector all. There's only one problem. It doesn't return an array of HTML elements, which is what we would want. It returns instead something called a node list. There's a very good reason that it doesn't do the obvious and return an array, but instead this odd bird called a node list. The reason, though, is lost in the mists of history. I'm sure when the smart people that created it did so, they had an excellent reason. I can't imagine what that might be, but we can fix it easily with this odd formation. So we use our query selector all, and then we do this weird array.prototype.slice.call, handing it the node list. And now we have an array. And we can proceed. But really, what were they thinking? I guess that's another of life's unanswered questions. I'll see you in exercise 39.